Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add the photo or video that you want to mirror on CapCut. This one, click add at the bottom. Now I will show you, this is the original video like this, but in here I wanna mirror this video, so just click on the video, click on your video, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see edit. This one, click edit, and you can see in here you can see a mirror, so just click on it and finish. So that's how to mirror your video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.